Gavana wa kaunti ya Masako Mwandu wa Vinyanditi ni wathingilela bata watongoi kuthukuma memu amba ayelesekana mbaye yailite kwikala kwa vamwe evindani yi kwina mawumu mamikalile ni wa mukathi ya ndungu ya Wiper Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka kwa kwithiwa eno tuika wotongoi evindani yi ainena inge ene waelesundu koti wa yulu wende kuongelelwa nthini wa ndivisi ya thukumi na kwasekana misi mingi ta yende kwisile evindani yumu kwiyendesya nambe ni wasekana otongoi wake nwende kwambatia ndeve ya thukumi amwe kieleloni kumina madhina amwe mailovia Joseph Kitheke na mauvo.
Hi cousins.
Ainene anthini wa kikalo kila kietie vamwe atalama maundu ma mia mukawani umuva akaundini ya Masako utuko wa kuamukia umunthi. Gavana wa Vinyanditi nuthingileile bata watongoi watana vamwe na kunena na wasya umwe na muno kavindani ka kwina maumu maingi ala maetetwe ni utongoi muthuku.
Our people are suffering. They're suffering. I'm the governor of Machakos, I can tell you. Some of my people's payslips, people are in trouble. We have had to go back and have our people restructure their loans so that they can have a space in their salary and even have done some promotions because of all the taxes that our people are paying. Because of the taxes, we are being taxed a lot as a people. Hospitals, we're having problems. We're having problems. If I can tell you, as the governor of Machakos now, I have over 700 million in SHA not paid. And I'm supposed to be treating people. Buying medicine. Where am I supposed to get money?
Gavana wa Vinyaingi Norule Muti alamethi itwe magimanga mbai ya mukamba aiwetakana ni yailite kunewa ndaiya.
Mtu hawezi akasimama, yes, yeye ni president, mimi ni governor. Lakini hawezi akakuja akasema kama ni wajinga, hawana akili, mkubwa yao ni mjinga, munene akoumwa na kuniweka hata. No umwa. Na nicho muonie na leo thi mukutanoni. Na ngikembete atumanwe ni thi mukutanoni munene akwaka uma wenibo. Nina lilo thi mukutanoni. Na ina mata bisene sama tunenge ndai hata ambaye ya chao ya kamba na ambaye ya kamba no inenga we chao ndai. So many of our people have been sacked. They have been removed from government. And we are just, some of us are just quiet. In the army, will you look now, how many people do we have? In the national government, how many people do we have? Na watu wetu tu wakitolewa, watu wananyamaza. Mawakili, onenyo mungaito telezi ando maito.
Nake mutongoi wa Wiper Dr. Stephen Kalonzo wa Musyoka ulona ke evikite kikaloni ki nuwetie kana ende ya na kusukumia utongoi musio na kuleana na lusani munga molo tumite mbai ya mukamba inewa ndaiya.
I've stood for dignity of this community. I've refused to be corrupted by anybody. I've refused, and I have tried to build that name. That's why I remembered I was angry with him because Uhuru alikuwa amemtuma kwangu. Chief of Staff wa Uhuru, akaja number 1. One time I actually came carrying a lot of money. Not much though. It was less than $1 million. Because he meant it well. I had an event in Niata and he thought he could contribute, have $1 million shillings. I told Waita, keep that money. We might need it some other time. Because this is not the way to go. Yani kuungamana event ya mwongo. Nikanazo vienda ya mukamba. Niko kutume today community ina ndaiya. Niko kanativo.
Ndongo ikwa wamwani ithuthi sia Kenya kukwatana nikana kuwete utongoi musio ula ukusisya mavata ma mwene nthi.
Lazima sisi wote sasa kwa nguvu za Mwenyezi Mungu tutembee pamoja. Hakuna mtu katika nchi saa hii akona experience ya kuongoza Kenya kama Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka.
Joseph Kitheke, Vilingi wa Mauvo, Mutongoi TV.